Hi guys, it's your girl Lips and Lashes here with another new video. Today I'm gonna be trying this Kylie Jenner inspired look. I got new pink hair. What do you guys think? This hair is Empire brand. I got it from my local beauty supply store in the color 1B and rose gold. It has little dark roots, 1B roots, and rose gold ends. What you guys think? I know it's been a long time since I made another video, but I just been working a lot and trying to get my life on track. It's Christmas time, so I'm like, it's time for a new video, time for a new setup, time for new everything. So I'm looking forward to this video, you guys. And if you want to see my Kylie Jenner inspired makeup tutorial with pink hair, rose gold hair, then keep on watching. Alright, you guys, I did one eye off camera. And I didn't put on any lashes, so we're about to get started on the other eye. I wanted to show you guys the full process of how I got this eye look. So first, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna highlight my brow bone because Kylie Jenner in the picture, she has a nice bright matte highlight right here and underneath the brow. So I'm gonna go in with Aura Halo in this CoverGirl True Naked Sunset palette, and I'm just taking a small blending brush, and I'm just gonna keep packing the shade into my brow bone until I get it nice and bright. If I keep looking this way, you guys, this is where my mirror is. And you just want to keep packing that on so we get it nice and bright. I'm mainly concentrating it on this part of the brow. This is where you want it to be the most bright. Okay. Next, we're gonna start packing on our pink around the eye. So I'm gonna take a big blending fluffy brush. And I'm gonna go back and forth between this shade, Always Pink of Me, and the Milani Pure Passion palette. I'm gonna go back and forth between this shade and this Butter Blush from Physicians Formula in the color Rosy Pink because I don't have a nice dark pink. And this one is pretty nice in what I'm looking for. So you just want to blend this into your crease and all over pretty much. And pink is kind of hard to show up, you guys, so you definitely want to build that color up. And I'm going back and forth between those two colors, really trying to get that pink to pop. See, it's nice and pink. I'm just gonna keep going back and forth with these two colors. I really want to build that pink nice and bright. Okay. Now I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush and take those two shades and put them in my lower lash line. Really packing it on. You want to be careful not to sweep because with the light blush pinks, they tend to just fade away into your skin, so you don't want to sweep too much. You see, I'm just connecting that to the crease color just to make sure everything is nice and blended in. Next, I'm going to go in with something a little darker. I don't know really if Kylie has anything darker, but I just like to really make my outer corners pop. So I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use this dark pink shade right here. And I'm taking a smaller blending brush, and we're going to put this into the inner V area of your eye. We just want to darken that up just a teensy bit. I'm also going to take some of this dark pinky rosy shade right here from the Pure Passion palette. And I'm sweeping that into the inner V as well and blending that up. Instantly we have defined eyes. Don't want to wash away the color too much. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. I'm going to go back in with this highlight shade from the True Naked Sunset palette just to brighten this part up. We really want to make this look pop. We want to see all the colors in this look. And even going back with some more pink just to brighten it up so we don't lose the pink color. Next, I'm going to take a flat shader brush like this one. I'm going to go in with this color from the Jaclyn Hill palette in the color Beam. And I'm going to fill this in my waterline. You could totally just add a black pencil if that's the look you want to go for. But Kylie has a nice bright white waterline. Okay. Now we're going to move on to this beautiful lid that she has. And I'm going to take this Milani Hypnotic Lights in the color Beaming Light. And I'm going to put this on my lid. You don't need too much of this because it is wet, so you don't want it to crease up on you. While that's drying, I'm going to take some of this pigment from MAC in the color Sugar Rush. And I'm going to put this into my inner corner. I'm also going to take a flat brush and take this same pigment, just a little bit of it, not much, and just pack it all over my lid and to blend in this color, to blend in the liquid shadow. Okay. Now I'm just taking my smaller blending brush in that darker color, whatever's left on it, and just continuing to blend that out. Now we're just going to pop on some mascara and some falsies, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, we're going to use this Conceal and Perfect foundation from Milani for our face today in the color Warm Sand. I'm blending that all over my face. Next, I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge and just make sure that's nice and blended in with my skin. My skin is coming to life. Now I'm going to take my Instant Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline in the color Sand to highlight underneath my eyes and down my nose. And I'm taking a sponge to blend that all out. We're reverse contouring today. No cream contour. Next, I want to take my Milani Translucent Banana Powder and set all underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix Powder in the color C6 and just patting that all over my skin. Now I'm going to take my Iman Deep Dark Foundation Powder and using that to contour my cheeks. And down the bridge of my nose as well. Now I'm going to take this Milani blush in the color Coral Cove and just using that for my cheeks. Looking really nice. Also my Milani highlighter in the color Sun Glow to highlight. Okay, guys, I'm done with the face and the eyes. Looking real Kylie Jenner-like. Now we're going to finish off with our lips. This is the NYX pencil in the color Truffle. And I'm just going to fill my entire lips with this. Kylie has a pretty nude lip. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm going to take this Milani Keep It Plump Lip Gloss in Prismatic Peach. And we're just going to okay, you guys, that's the completed look. Let's get up and close and personal. Did I slay? Really loving the eyes, really loving the hair. I'm loving the pink rose gold vibes. I hope you guys love this tutorial. Like, subscribe, come back to my channel. Don't miss an upload. I'm going to be uploading way more often. I got a new setup I got coming. Y'all just wait on it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.